Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do the underwater effect for your audio on CapCut. First, you can start by adding the videos or the image that you want to edit, and then click on the add audio and add the audio that you want to add to your edits. For example, here I'm going to find one on my device. Okay, I'm going to add this one, for example. So this is the audio, and here I'm going to trim it so it match with the image. Then you can start by clicking on the audio and go to audio effects. So in here, find the megaphone audio effect. Click on the check icon and export this first. You can just go back and here delete the audio and add the video that you just exported. This one, add and delete the previous audio. So this is the audio that the video that I just exported. Now click on the video again and find and add the voice effect. So click on the audio effects and then add the echo audio effect. Export it again, then open it in a new project. Okay, lastly, add the audio effects again. So you need to add the audio effects between deep, low, or high. So choose between those. See, this is the deep, low, and high. I'm going to go with deep. Click on the check icon, and that's it. Your audio will look like this. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.